In this video, I will show you how to convert HEIF or HEIC to JPG on iPhone. So let's get started. First, open Photos app on your iPhone. So here is the image in HEIF format. Now tap three dots with circle icon in the top right side. From the options, tap Copy. Next, open the Files app and go to any folder where we can paste this image. You can even create a new folder and paste the image in that folder as well. Now long press on the empty area and tap Paste. Now if you check the image format, it's in JPG format. You can share the image by tapping the share icon through WhatsApp or email. So that is how you can convert HEIF or HEIC to JPG on iPhone. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.